Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's make something cute as a button for mom. Stay tuned. And when I say cute as a button, it is cute as a button, and you will see why in just a minute. I am making this for Mother's Day, but it doesn't have to be for Mother's Day, guys. Anything that I'm making, all you've got to do is change it to be whatever you need for it to be, and it's good for any season, any reason, any gender. But today, we're going to be focused on Mother's Day. And here is what we're going to be making. Isn't this so stinking cute? And isn't it cute as a button? You guys know that I am not a card maker, but I'm good with stickers. And so I like to use stickers on my cards, and then I like to keep it really, really simple. And I have these wonderful buttons that I bought from a scrapbook store about a year ago. I've really been wanting to use them, just haven't. I actually bought them with the plans of using them in an album for a baby boy, but I haven't had to make one since I bought these buttons. So I am going to use the buttons on this card to represent mom, hubby, and the kids. Now I know that this is not representative of all families. So like I said, modify it to suit however you need for it to be. If you know a single mom, make this for a single mom. If you know a single dad who is doing mom and dad duties, make this for him and thank him. If you have a friend that you just want to give a card to, this is perfect. If someone has become a new mother, this is perfect. So let's make it, and you're going to see just how easy it is. So I made mine with the file folder. But guys, you don't need a file folder to make this project. You simply need a piece that measures 12 by 5.5. For those of you who are going to work with file folders, you also need to cut your file folder down to 12.5, but there's a way that you need to do it. So when you put it in to cut your file folder, make sure that you keep the fold, and you're going to trim away and just keep 4.5 inches on this side of the fold, and then on this side of the fold, you're going to have 7.5 inches, and that will give you 12 inches. And then you can put it back in and just trim down to 5.5. So let's make sure that we're starting with the piece that measures 5.5 by 12. So then put your paper in the scoreboard with the first score already in at 4.5, because remember, we folded and cut away one side to 4.5. And for those of you with a 12-inch piece of paper, go ahead and score at 4.5. Then we're going to score at 9. And then let's just fold our scores. And we're going to have this. So when we have it like this, take the side that has the shortest flap on it, and that's the side that we're going to work on. And I am just going to take my ruler, put it right at the corner where the fold line is, and then I am just going to angle out a little bit, use my stylus just to make some impressions so that I can fold this, and you'll see what I'm doing in just a minute. So I went up to the corner there, and all I did was created a little pocket, and the flap of this pocket actually interferes with the fold. So at this point, all I'm going to do is just trim some of it away. No need to measure that because it's going to be hidden. So we're going to have that. Now, I'm going to use my glue. Place some glue on that. Get that stuck down. And now you can see how I have created this sweet little pocket. So I am going to close the pocket by taking my glue and just putting it on two sides. So I'm putting it on that little notch right there, and then all the way over to the fold. And then I'll fold that over and get it stuck down. And now you can see how I have a sweet little card with a pocket on the inside. Now we're going to go ahead and just put our button family on the card. So I'm going to bring the other one back in so that you can see it. And I'll bring in my buttons. So this time I'm going to be using this blue. And I have the big body for Dad, the smaller body for Mom, and then 2 littles. And then, of course, like I've said, you can modify this to fit whatever it is you need it to fit. So what I have here is a piece of 24 gauge floral wire. And it's so thin and it's so flimsy, you can see that it's moving, and it's perfect for cutting with scissors. And then for shaping, just by bending it, I can create my little legs. So what I'm going to do is take my button, I am going to add my hot glue, and then I am going to just take these legs. I put the legs in the hot glue. I'm going to slide them down just a little because I have them up too high. I have the legs in the hot glue, and then I'll just take this little button and stick it down. So now that I have that down, I can go ahead and just put Dad's head down, and I'm just going to do that by adding another button. You can get as elaborate with this as you want, but I am going to keep it very simple. So now I need to do the same thing with Mom. I took my floral wire, 24 gauge, and I bent it into some leg shapes. I am going to put some glue on the back of this button. Then I'll take Mom's legs, put them on. Then I'll take this, and I'm going to put this down, and I can shape it however I want. So then I'm going to take Mom's head, put some glue on it, and go ahead and glue Mom's head to her body. And now I'm going to add the little baby buttons, and I'll be putting 2 of those down. So I have my glue on the back, and since baby button number 2 is so small, I just put my hot glue down on the card, and just like that, we have got a really fun, whimsical beginning to a Mother's Day card. All right, guys, so the way that I'm going to decorate this one is going to be very simple and similar to the way that I did this one. So I have this Family Phrases sticker pack that I got from Hobby Lobby when they were open, and it's been a while, so my stickers are kind of actually stuck to the paper, but they will come up. And they have all of these wonderful sayings in here that you can just use for card toppers. And I am going to just pull out one that I like. So I decided to go with the one that says Mother Knows Best. And I am going to take that, try to get it down straight, and just put it right there. And because these are clear on the back, it just looks like I printed it on my card. And so then I'm going to take this cute little butterfly sticker that came from this pack, which is a Family is Forever pack, and I just popped it up at the top just to kind of finish off this whole look. And I really think that this is such a cute card. So then I'm going to take a mat that measures 3 3/4 by 5 and just place it right here, and that gives some writing space to leave a message. And I'll just put this down using my tape runner. So then I created this cute little mat just to tuck right in here, and you don't have to. You can put anything on yours that you want. So now I am going to use this sticker pack just to add a little bit of decoration. And so I am going to take the word happiness and place it right there. You can see just how cute that is. And then I think that I simply want to take this floral banner, and I am going to put it down right here, just to kind of finish my card off. So now I have this card and I have this card. So they both are just so delightfully cute, guys, and just so easy to make. And the beauty of these cards, they're so flat that you can take them, drop them in an envelope, and just mail them through the postal system. So guys, I hope that you have liked this project. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys, please stay safe, happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.